If you're planning to apply for the Training Visa Subclass 407 or you're an employer bringing trainees to Australia, there's major changes you need to know about. Good day everyone and welcome to our channel. From 11th March 2026, the Australian government has completely changed how and when you can lodge your visa application. And if you get this wrong, your application could be invalid. In this video, we'll break down what's changed, why it matters, the risks you need to watch out for, and how to plan your application properly. Let's get into it. The changes come under the Migration Amendment Training Visa Sponsorship Requirements Regulations 2026, affecting all Subclass 407 applications lodged on or after 11th of March 2026. Previously, applicants and employers could use what's called a concurrent lodgement approach. That means sponsorship application, training nomination, visa application, all could be submitted at the same time. Under the new rules implemented, this is no longer allowed. Now there's a strict sequence. Sponsorship must be approved, nomination must be approved, then you can lodge the visa application. This is a fundamental shift in how the subclass 407 process works. Under the updated migration regulations, your visa application will be valid if all of the following are met at the time of lodgement. You must be linked to an approved temporary activity sponsor. A training program must be nominated for you. The nomination must be approved under the Migrations Act 1958. The nomination must still be valid at the time of application. Your visa application must reference the approved nominations. The key takeaway: no approved nomination equals no valid visa application. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more migration updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new release. Here's where things get even more important. Current processing times for sponsorship and training nomination range from 88 days up to 11 months. And remember, you cannot lodge your visa until both are approved. So what does this mean? The total time to bring a trainee to Australia will likely be much longer than before. This is especially critical for graduate programs, internship placements, workplace training programs, industry training initiatives. There's another major risk that many applicants are overlooking. No valid visa application equals to no bridging visa. So if you're already in Australia and your current visa is expiring, your nomination is still being processed, you could face a gap in your lawful status. This is a serious compliance risk that needs careful planning. With these changes, planning is everything. Here's what you should be doing right now. Start early. Begin sponsorship and nomination as soon as possible. Align timelines. Match your training start dates with realistic processing times. Prepare documents in advance, having training plans and supporting documents ready early. Manage visa expiry risk. Check if your current visa holders may be impacted by delays. Consider alternatives. If timing is tight, explore other visa pathways. These changes will heavily impact businesses that rely on structured training programs, skills development initiatives, overseas graduate placements, technical and workplace training. If your organization depends on international training, these changes will directly affect your workforce planning. Navigating the subclass 407 process isn't just about paperwork anymore, it's about strategy and timing. We help employers with subclass 407 eligibility and planning, sponsorship applications, training nomination preparation, managing timing and compliance risks, identifying alternative visa options. The earlier you start, the more flexibility you'll have. Summarize, you can no longer lodge everything together. Sponsorship and nomination must be approved first. Processing times may significantly delay your plans, and poor timing could lead to visa risks. And if you're planning your subclass 407 application in 2026 or beyond, start early and plan carefully. And if you need help with your subclass 407 strategy, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video.